Hey guys, just a super quick unboxing of the Magic Mouse from Apple. I just got it for Christmas from my brother, so thought I would open it with you guys just before using it. So on the outside it's just the clear case that Apple always usually gives, and these are just some of the gestures they show on the back. So, yeah, it's the wireless mouse, and basically there's not much in the box, so just want to show you guys. There's the mouse. Quick start guide, how to use it, warranty, and no Apple stickers with this one. That's all in the box. Let's see if I can get this off. I'm pretty sure it comes with batteries, but let me double check for you guys. Yep, comes with the 2 Energizer batteries. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just check out my channel in a couple of weeks. I'm going to unbox a Kobo reader. I'm gonna review my Apple TV that I just got, and also possibly unbox my digital SLR Canon T3i. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.